Children, this is the 16.1 review and reinforcement video for measures of center. And when we say measures of center, we're looking at the mean, the median, and the mode. Let's look at what each one of those mean. The mean is the average of a set of data. So to find the mean, you add all of the numbers together, and then you divide by the total number of values that you added together. The median is the middle value in a set of numbers. To find the median, you put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. Then you cross a number off of each end until there is one number left in the middle. That will be your median. If there are two numbers left in the middle, you will add them together and divide by 2. And then finally, the mode is the number or numbers that occur most frequently. You can have no mode, one mode, or more than one mode. Let's do some examples of each. So let's take a look at these numbers. Find the mean of the set of data below. So we have 12, 8, 10, 10, 10. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add all of our values together. So 12 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. If I plug that in my calculator, I get 12 plus 8 is 20, 30, 40, 50. So I add all of my values together and I get 50. Then I'm going to take the total number and divide it by how many numbers I just added together. Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50 divided by 5 equals 10. So my mean for this set of data, the average for this set of data is 10. Let's look at the median. Let's find the median, or the middle number of the set of data below. We have 7, 8, 4, 10, 11. Median even kind of sounds like middle, median, middle. So the first thing we need to do is put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So let's take a look at our numbers above. My smallest number is 4. Then my next smallest is 7, then 8, then 10, and 11. So I put them in order from smallest to biggest. Then I'm going to begin crossing off numbers on each end, one off of each end until there's one number left in the middle. So I cross off one here and on this end, this end, this end. So my median, my middle value in this set of data is 8. So my median equals 8 in this set of data. This is my middle value. Let's do another practice. Find the median or middle number in the set of data below. So once again, I'm going to put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. That's the first thing you should do every time. So let's take a look at my set of data up here. So I have 4, and the next smallest is 7, and I have 8, and I have 9, 10, 11. The next thing I do is I begin crossing off numbers, one off of each end. And normally you do it until you have one number left in the middle. But now I have 2 numbers, and I can't cross them both out because then I'd have nothing left. So there is a rule: when there are 2 numbers left in the middle, you add them together and you divide those by 2. So let's do that. So we have 8 plus 9 equals 17. And then I have 17 divided by 2, which equals 8.5. So my median for this set of data equals 8.5. Let's take a look at mode now. So to find the mode, the number we see the most in this set of data below, the first thing I want to do is put the numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So let's go ahead and do that. So we have 4, 6, another 6, 7, and 9. And yes, I do write 6 twice because it is up here twice. So what number do I see the most? Is there a number that shows up more than any other number? And yes, there is. So my mode, I have 2 6s here. So that is the number that occurs the most. So my mode for this set of data up here is 6. Let's take a look at my second example. Find the mode, the number we see the most in this set of data below. So the first thing I want to do is type my numbers, put my numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So I have 4, I have 5, I have 6, 7, and 9. So now what number do I see the most? Is there a number that shows up more than any other number? Well, I have 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 9. So in this instance, remember I said earlier, you could have no mode. You would actually write no mode. And then my final example, find the mode, the number we see the most of this set of data below. We have 6, 4, 7, 7, 6. Let's put our numbers in order from smallest to biggest. So we have 4, 6, I have another 6, 7, and I have another 7. Let's take a look at these numbers. What numbers occur more than any other numbers? Well, I have 1 4, I have 2 6s, and I have 2 7s. So they're kind of tied. So this is where, when I said earlier, you could have more than one mode. So we would say my mode for this set of data is 6 and 7. Hopefully this has been a good review of measures of center, mean, median, and mode, and we'll see you next time.